Good evening. Today we are going to look at NVIDIA. And we're going to be looking at it on Friday. And as we can see right now, things are not looking good for people who hold on who people just buy and hold. As we can see, I mean, generally speaking, things are looking good. NVIDIA has jumped from this year, and it is higher than it was in January. But the past few months, past few weeks, there was a huge drop. And that could have been the cause of unemployment. That could have been the cause of many other things. But let's say that you bought NVIDIA and you thought that it was just going to go up and up and up. So you bought over here and you just held on to it day after day after day, seeing consistent profit. And then all of a sudden it just dropped. It didn't drop, it's not a huge amount. Now, if you had many shares, then you could have lost a lot. But if you were trading and if you know what you were doing, then you could have actually made a lot on this day, on this red day where the market dropped. A lot of people are under the impression that they have to buy a stock, and when the stock prices drop, then they're screwed. Then they're going to lose their money, and they have to get out at the right moment. Now, that is true in a sense, but it's also true that you can make money on the way down. So, let's just take a look at this over here. As we can see, we have a high of the day right around here, about 974, and a low of the day, 865. That's over $100. Now, if you're trading options and you buy a put right here or right here, one option contract, keep in mind, one option contract is equal to 100 shares. That's a good amount of money for day trading. But you have to be able to catch it. You have to be able to catch those moments. As we can see over here, pre-market low, pre-market high. Could have made 2 trades this day. Worked a few hours and done really well. As we can see over here, here's a good point to enter. As you can see, the market turns around, touches our level over here, exit the trade, probably re-enter right maybe around here or here, and just wait. So this is NVIDIA. We are looking at it on the 3-minute chart. Let me go to the 1-minute chart. As you can see, the 1-minute chart, it retests our level a few times, but here would be a great entry point. As we can see, looking at it from the pre-market, low of the pre-market here, this would be a great entry point. So with that being said, keep in mind that when it comes to trading and understanding the stock market, you can make money as the market goes down. It's called buying a put or selling shares. You are not gonna you don't have to just buy and wait for it to rise and then get out every time it goes down. You can get out, you can do that and then buy again, but you can also make money as the market goes down. Keep that in mind.